If you're looking to set up ShopWired for multiple languages, you're in the right place. This video will walk you through the essential steps to make your store multilingual so you can connect with customers all around the world. Stay tuned until the end because, while ShopWired is a solid choice, I'll share an even better alternative that might suit your needs more effectively. Let's dive straight in. First, head over to your ShopWired admin dashboard. The language settings aren't immediately obvious, so you might need to dig around a little. ShopWired has a built-in translation system, but it's not as intuitive as some other platforms like Shopify or BigCommerce. You'll need to go to the Settings menu, find the Languages section, and click on Add a new language. From here, you can select the language you want to add to your store. Next, once you add the language, ShopWired doesn't automatically translate your store's content. Instead, you'll have to manually enter translations for your products, categories, and pages. This can be time-consuming, especially if you're offering a wide range of products. The translation tool does allow you to import a CSV file to help with bulk translations, but it's still more hands-on compared to other platforms. Now, let's talk about the fourth thing, managing different currencies. If you're selling internationally, you'll want to make sure your customers see prices in their native currency. While ShopWired offers this option, it's a bit of a hassle to set up. You'll need to integrate a third-party currency converter, which could slow things down a bit. It's also worth mentioning that the language switcher and currency switcher are separate, meaning customers will have to manually change both if they want to view prices in another language and currency. The fifth thing to consider is SEO for multilingual stores. With ShopWired, you can optimize each version of your site for the respective language. However, this isn't an automatic process. You'll need to make sure your SEO settings, like meta descriptions and title tags, are correctly translated for each language. It's an extra step that many users overlook, which can hurt your rankings if done incorrectly. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. ShopWired's support team is generally helpful, but they don't specialize in multilingual setups. If you run into issues with translating your site or managing multiple languages, the process may take longer than expected. While they have guides to help you through the setup, you might find yourself looking for answers elsewhere. Now, before you go and set up multiple languages on ShopWired, I need to mention an exclusive offer we have for you today. If you decide ShopWired isn't the best fit for your business, there are amazing alternatives that might serve your goal of a multilingual store even better. These platforms also offer free trials, but with extra features that make managing multiple languages much easier. So, here's the deal. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Whether you're looking for better translation management or an easier way to handle currencies, I've got you covered. Click that link, grab your trial, and start growing your multilingual store today.